Hello guys, it's your boy Fastfoodman. Welcome back to another video. Today we're having some burgers from the supermarket. I put them in the microwave to heat them up. And here you can see some of the potato triangles. I had them with an English breakfast, and today we try something new. Okay, so we need to put something on them. Oh yes. Drizzling ketchup as dipping for them. And yes, we cut this burger here. I put some extra cheese on it, and they're very soft. So this is how they look like in the middle. Yeah, you can see. And now we take the first bite of that, put some extra ketchup on it, and let's go. Okay. The taste is okay. Triangle, classic. Okay, the triangles are great, especially with that ketchup. Okay. And you can see there are two more layers of cheese. I put them. It's coming with one layer of cheese, but one layer of cheese is not enough. So okay. And the new camera is more sensitive with the microphone. Oh, here it comes. It's falling off. Falling off. Okay, the burger itself tastes very delicious. Very interesting flavor with that ketchup. Put some more on it. We need it really messy, really nasty. Very much ketchup, yes. Wow. Okay. Two layers of cheese is good. You don't taste any of that meat. A little bit. And as a drink, I just have water. Sparkling water. Here you can see That's interesting. This is the original layer. The brighter one and the darker one is extra added cheddar cheese. Because everything needs massive cheese on it. And the size of the meal is perfect. 2 burgers, something with potato. Plain cheese. Okie-dokie. Slice that top bun. If someone is watching, and yes, this channel is for fast food lovers. It's great food. So my channel for you. And I think the chewing is more intense because the burger is very very soft. The bun is not very, it's too soft. Okay. Okay, my friends. Wow. Okay. As a conclusion, the burgers are okay for a quick snack. Yes, nothing special, but not too bad anyway. I'm sorry. If you have extra cheese, for example cheddar, it's perfect. If you don't have any extras, it's still okay, but was very good with extra layers of cheese with some triangles. And yes, I hope you guys like what I'm doing here. So please subscribe to my channel, that would be very nice. Give me a thumbs up if the video was nasty enough for you. And yes, that's me, the Fast Food Man. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a nice evening and hope to see you next time in one of my videos. Bye bye.